If you're upgrading your kitchen in 2025 or planning a remodel in early 2026, choosing the right sink is more important than ever. In this video, we're breaking down the best Undermount kitchen sinks options that combine sleek design, durability, and modern functionality. Let's take a look at this 33-inch Undermount workstation sink. It has built-in ledges for accessories like a cutting board, roll-up drying rack, or a strainer. And this workstation kitchen sink turns your prep area into a full workspace. There are 4 reasons why homeowners choose an Undermount sink over a farmhouse sink. Number 1, it's a seamless countertop integration. It's easier to clean up, it has more of a modern aesthetic, and gives you more counter space. Now, when shopping for a kitchen sink, there are 2 options. There's a regular Undermount or there's a workstation. And which one should you choose? Let me show you the few key differences. The workstation sink offers a multifunctional prep zone where you can rinse, chop, drain, and dry using built-in racks, strainers, and colanders, all while maximizing small space. It mimics professional kitchen functionality and keeps your counter clear and organized. A regular Undermount sink offers a clean, minimal design with easy countertop wipe down, a spacious deep basin for large items, lower overall cost, and less maintenance thanks to fewer accessories and moving parts. Thank you for watching our video. We hope this was informational. If you would like to support our small business, all these sinks are available on our website, rtakb.com, and use code YouTube for 10% off.